What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download Binance app on your PC or laptop. Now if you are like me, you don't want to use Binance, like the web version of Binance. It's really annoying and you always have to log in, or you always have to use the browser to access your Binance account. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys, if you don't know, that Binance, they have created an app for PC and laptop. Okay, just like you use the app on your phone, you created the desktop version. Now what you need to do, guys, to download the app, you just need to search for Binance. Okay, just going to Binance and then desktop. Okay, just need to search for Binance desktop, and you want to select the first website. As you can make sure the official website, it make sure it says www.binance.com. so you want to click the first result and you want to click on download now. Okay, and you just need to wait like as you can see, like 15 seconds for this to download. So the file is very small, so it will take like I said, like 15 seconds. As you can see, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Yeah, after the file is downloaded, you just want to click on it, and you will also find this on your desktop, and you can access your Binance easily. So I'm going to click here, three little dots in the top right, click yes, click what language you like to use. If you are French, you can select French. If you are English, click OK, click install. So after you click, guys, on install, you will find that the Binance app will be in your desktop. As you can see, this is it. Now you can open your Binance and you want to log in using the same information you use when you are using the web version. Okay, this is the and then you need to click on login, and you just need, guys, to log in. Okay, you can also register. As you can see, you can also click on register, and you can use your email, stuff like that. If you click on login, you can then log in. So hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe,